Hello, welcome to Wisemonkeys. Today we will see interfacing of TM1637 4-digit 7-segment display with Raspberry Pi 3B+. So here we have this TM1637 4-digit 7-segment display, and there are two dots in between. There are 4 pins: ground, VCC, DIO, that is data in, and clock. To interface with Pi 3, of course, we have pin 4 and 6, VCC and ground, and we are going to use pin 16 and 18. So pin 18 is are connected to data in, and pin 16 is connected to the clock. So this is a simple connection of Raspberry Pi with 7-segment TM1637. Now we will move to the computer and see the program and display digital clock in this 4 digits. So let us go to computer. Now that we have connected our TM1637 to Pi, the ground, VCC, DIO and clock, we will proceed to writing the program. Before writing the program, we need to download the interface, that is by using this command wget from raspberry tips.nl files tm1637.py. This file we need to download, and then we can write the program. The code is here with us. So we import this time, date time, rpi.gpio is GPIO, and TM1637. We know by default the pins are BCN, that is GPIO 23 and GPIO 24. So we display is TM1637, pin 23, 24, and brightness. We have set the brightness level to 1. Initially the display is clear. We are going to display time in hours and minutes. So here is a small code for that. While true, we run infinite loop. Date time equal to date time dot now equal to date time dot now. We have hours, minutes, seconds. Current time int of r by 10. Then r mod 10. Int minute by 10 and minute mod 10. That is what we want to display. That is the current time. Display.show current time. Display.show double point. There are 2 dots between hours and minutes. So those 2 dots will be shown every half a second. Second mod 2. And time.sleep 1. So very small code, very simple code to display date and display time on TM1637. Display.show shows the current time here, and here the double point will blink every half a second. Simple code. Let us run the code. So now we run the program, and we will see that time is being displayed on this 4-digit 7-segment display. So here it is. We have this 1853, which is the time, and we see those 2 dots blinking every half a second. So simple program, simple code, simple interface. TM1637 interfacing with the Raspberry Pi 3B+. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, give us thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel Wisemonkeys if you don't want to miss any of our videos. Thank you.